field trip got canceled? Yeah, I can come pick him up. Alright. Alright, I'll see you soon. Thank you.
There you go, Philip.
Let's go. Come on.